What's going on YouTube? Mr. Random checking in. So in today's video here, I'm gonna be cutting up this 2x4 we got. Breaking down this here winch, manual winch. I'm gonna take that ugly bracket off there and do a little custom modifying so where I can mount it on this wall. So when I push this car out of here, I'm able to pull it right back in. So if you're new, make sure you comment. Let me know what you think. Subscribe to the channel, check us out, and turn that post notification bell on. We're gonna be back with plenty more. Y'all stay tuned. Mr. Random. Alright, YouTube, we already have our 2x4 mark. Let's go ahead on and chop them up. Next, we're gonna remove this here bracket that we have mounted to our winch. Alright, YouTube, got our bracket off. I'm gonna lay it on one of these 2x4s here, and I'm gonna mark out my holes. And I just have me a paint marker right here. And try to mark the center of each hole. Get this one right there. Alright, YouTube, first, I'm gonna start by screwing down my winch. And I just have me some lag bolts right here. I'm screwing right down to this 2x4. Alright. Let's try to get us one more on this back side. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove this pulley to give us access to our hole to be able to install our lag bolt. Alright, he had a washer. I'm gonna just place him right here because I'm gonna lock this here board right back down in place. And actually, I'm gonna double up on my board because these screws are sticking out a little. And on the bottom side, I want this thing flush. Alright gang, let's go ahead on and put our pulley back in place. So we had our bolt on one end, and we also had a washer on the other. Alright, got our washer in there. Alright. Let's get him locked down. Alright, YouTube, give me a few screws up in here to hold these 2x4s together. Let's go ahead and head over to our wall and get our winch marked up so we can get it installed in place. Alright, so I know I got a stud right there. I missed them right there. I look pretty center with my stud right there. I'm gonna mark the top of my 2x4. Okay, and I'm gonna mark the sides of them as well. All right, let's come with one on this side. Let's go ahead and cut our baseboard. Man, that sure is some strong stuff. Let me go ahead and hurry up and cut this side. So that's 2 of them that we have in there. Next, we're gonna sink us a few of these lag bolts that we have here. We got our 2x4s locked on our wall. Next, we're gonna go ahead and lock our winch down to it, guys. All right, got him lined up. We have us another lag bolt right here. And this here is the final process after we done locked 3 lag bolts in place. So I appreciate all the love, support, 1,800 subscribers. Yes, sir. Much love, y'all. Look, no? This is my preview right here. Keep pulling up. She's working good, no? We loosen that cable back up. Might have to put a tread or something else to equip at the auction, you hear me? She working. Let's show something.